Click on the link below to get price. The Chasing Gladius MINI S upgraded professional underwater drone set is an impressive piece of technology that brings the underwater world to your fingertips. Right out of the box, the drone feels robust and well constructed, which is crucial for its intended use in various aquatic environments. The design is sleek and compact, making it easily portable for underwater exploration, whether it's for recreational diving, marine research, or even underwater photography. One of the standout features of the Gladius MINI S is its 4K resolution camera. The image quality is nothing short of spectacular, capturing vibrant colors and incredible detail even at depths of up to 100 meters. This high resolution is particularly beneficial for marine researchers and enthusiasts who want to document marine life or underwater structures. The drone also supports live streaming, allowing users to share their underwater adventures in real time, which adds an exciting social aspect to the experience. The intuitive controller and the accompanying app enhance user experience by providing seamless navigation and various shooting modes. The drone can maneuver in tight spaces and is responsive, making it suitable for both novice users and seasoned professionals. The battery life is commendable, offering approximately 2 hours of continuous operation, which is ample time for thorough exploration without the worry of losing power unexpectedly. Another remarkable aspect is the drone's ability to descend and ascend effortlessly, making it easy to capture footage from various angles and depths. The built-in LED lights significantly improve visibility, allowing for clear shots even in murky waters. While the Gladius MINI S has a premium price tag, the quality, features, and user experience justify the investment. Overall, this underwater drone is a game-changer for anyone looking to explore the underwater world with a professional touch. Its combination of durability, advanced technology, and exceptional video quality makes it an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals alike.